Hey guys! Today I thought I'd bring you along with me while I redecorate my room. I mentioned in some of my previous videos that I wanted this channel to be an archive of all the music I've ever worked on as well as get to know me videos, so what better way to get to know me than to see where I spend most of my time. Hope you enjoy this video. I ended up bringing the dresser from my old room. I wasn't going to because I knew it wouldn't match the look I was going for, but I needed the additional storage space. I also brought my desk, which I spray painted white. I brought my bed as well, along with my nightstand, which looks terrible, so I ended up going to Canadian Tire and buying 4 knobs and just reattaching them myself. Then I added a houseplant on top. I eventually accepted that tape wasn't going to work, so I hammered a few nails into the wall along with some twine, and that's how I put the Polaroids up. So now that I'm done redecorating, I thought I'd film a little room tour. Here's a mirror I got. It doesn't really show your full outfit, but if you step back, you can kind of at least see if you look semi-decent. Here I keep my scarves, purses and backpacks, as well as belts. Brought this dresser from my old house, which I mentioned earlier in the video, and I just keep any necessities. It doesn't really match the room, but I need storage space. This is the desk I use where I mix and master music, just because I don't really like doing that downstairs. I used to keep all my instruments in my room because my old room was a lot bigger. This is my closet, which has more clothes. This is a little window, which I appreciate. You can see outside. I keep all my books here that I'm currently reading, or some of my favorites. Got these 2 skulls from Dollarama during Halloween, and I thought they were super cute. They light up. Looks way cooler at night, but yeah, that looks kind of lame right now. This is my Polaroid wall. This is a Vine wall. I stole the idea from my sister, who is also posting a room tour video soon. I will link her channel in the description, and she's also filming this video, God bless her soul. Here is a plant. It was already dead, kind of dead when I put it in my room. I'm trying to revive it, even though I'm not doing a very good job.
You're really not.
This is a poster by my favorite band. Well, not my favorite band, but one of my favorite bands that got me into indie music, called The Drums. I went to their concert 2 years ago and it was amazing. Here is my part of my wardrobe, some of the things I wear most often. I know this is kind of crooked. It wasn't as crooked when I first brought it in, but I think the weight is just distributed badly. It is what it is. These are some of my favorite shoes that I wear most often. I have a lot of other shoes in the main closet, but I don't really wear them, so there's no point in me keeping it in my room. And then these are the fairy lights. This is the first guitar I've ever owned. I bought it when I was 14 years old. It's not the best guitar ever, but I've been watching these math rock tutorial videos to find really cool open chords and weird tunings. So, thank you so much for watching. Please like and subscribe to this channel if you want to see more content. I will be posting new music soon. See you next Tuesday. Bye.